you know that it was a hefty order when I get that express 2 to 3 day shipping, okay? Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, as you can see by the title, I got in my camo and my ombre that I ordered. I kind of splurged. I got 3 sets. And that's splurging if you know GYMSHARK prices. I've been really good. I haven't bought GYMSHARK in like, I think a month at least. It was true dedication. It was my roommate's birthday, and so we were like out and about all day, but I was like, okay, I have to bring my laptop. I was in the car on my laptop on lunchtime getting everything. I was so nervous because like the service was spotty, but I ended up getting everything that I wanted and I'm so happy about it. The package literally just came today. Like, I just opened everything and took it out, but I was like, I'll just do like a first impressions video and then I'll do a try on portion later. And if there's anything that I need to note in the try on, I will note that later on. So very quickly, I got a size small in everything, and here are my measurements in case you guys want to compare if you think that you are a similar build or size that I am. And without further ado, I'm just gonna get right into it. Okay, so first I wanna start off with the pink camo. I am obsessed. I love this color in person. It's just this very light pink, almost like a blush, like nude color, and I got the Crisscross Bra in this. They offered a different bra, which I did get in the red, but I wanted to keep it with the crisscross because I just feel like this crisscross is so flattering on people who have smaller chests. I know that people who have larger chests say that this is a little bit awkward for the yitties, so completely understand, but for me, I really love these bras, and I think that they just look so freaking cute. What I love about GYMSHARK bras is the padding is on point. I washed my bras with the pads inside, and like they don't get all crazy or messed up, so I appreciate that their padding is really nice, and I feel like this bra is very high support because of the crisscross detailing, at least for me personally. Everything about the bra is going to be the same, so it has the same logo here, and it has the same crisscross in the back with the same logo in the back. I don't think that they made any changes to any of these collections. I think they just changed the colorway. So if you already have Adapt Camo or Ombre, expect it to kind of be the same quality, just a different color. So yeah, I'm super excited to try this on, and of course, I had to get the matching leggings, so it's my first time even opening them. These are so beautiful. The print isn't really coming up here, but I'll definitely do a try on portion at home. I'm filming this really quick because I'm going home tomorrow, so I wanted to get this up hopefully before I go to the beach. But I love how thick and amazing. The Adapt waistbands are just my favorite because I just feel like you really feel sucked in and you feel like supported in them. I'm out of breath. And I like that they kept the booty scrunch. This scrunch doesn't really do anything, but like I say, the separation is helpful and it's nice. Obviously no front seam, seamless material, and the waistband is nice and thick, but it like really forms well to your body, so I can't wait to try this on. I'm so excited. You guys know how I feel about Adapt Camo. Adapt Camo has become my favorite. Probably Adapt Camo and Animal, but now that I have all these colors in camo, definitely getting up there. Everything that I've seen with this pink color, I don't think that it's gonna be completely squat proof, but obviously it depends like on what underwear you wear and your skin tone and everything like that. So I'll definitely let you guys know once I actually get a use out of them if they are. So now we are gonna go into the red. I was dying, like the red was at the top of my list. It was the one thing that I wanted, and I was so nervous because like I had a feeling it was gonna sell out, but we got her. So this is the cutest red color ever. Libby was wearing this when she first got her package with the raspberry red bra, which I'll grab in a minute. It just looked like so cute together, so I'm really excited to wear this. So again, everything is the exact same. The nice tapered waistband. I just think this red color is so deep and rich and pretty, and I love the logo here on the side, and then obviously the booty scrunch is still there, and I just love how stretchy these are. Like they're very stretchy, and the material is like thick but not too thick, so I really like this on my legs, and I just feel like it's very supportive for your leg days if you like to have a nice legging that kind of just sucks you in. And I feel like this is going to be squat proof because of the color and the thickness of material, but we'll have to see. And then for the bra, I was scrambling on the site. I don't know why, but I thought they were making this bra in red, but I was scrambling on the site and I could not find it. I don't think they ended up doing that. I think they just made the new bra in red, which is kind of weird how they didn't do red in like the shorts and the old bra. I don't know what was going on there. But I go to open my package. Let me find it. So I go to open my package and I'm like, it looks like it was mauled. Like this, some of it was me, but this right here is not me. It looked like it was mauled open. And I guess it like kind of opened during transport, and do you all see this? Like, I don't know if this is dirt stains or what. It looks nasty, so I'm gonna have to like wash it before I use it, but at least it's on the inside, so I'm not gonna like complain or anything about it. But I'm excited to try this bra out anyway because I did want to try out this bra. I like that it has the scrunch here in the middle and definitely higher coverage and support, which I like, and it almost looks longer, almost like it could be like a crop top, which I think is really cute. And I like that they also put one of those scrunches here in the back, and then it just has the GYMSHARK logo Otherwise, everything is very similar. And again, I just love their cups. I feel like they're so high quality, and I'm so excited to try this set on. This set is definitely going to be my new favorite. Like, the red, but the blue. Like, the blue camo is like my OG, and then the red is like definitely gonna be a fire hot tamale moment. So lastly, I got the Adapt Ombre shorts and the sports bra in purple. So I kind of went out on a limb with this because I'm not a big ombre girl. I don't like reach for ombre when I see it kind of thing. But I felt like this looked really cute, and it's not like super in your face ombre. Like, I feel like the gradient was kind of cute. So I was like, okay, I'll try it out, because I've been a grape queen. I've been loving me some purple, so I'm like, this would be really, really cute. I'm really glad I did, because I think it is really cute. So I really, really like this. I like how it's a light purple at the top, and it kind of goes down into this darker purple shade. And then in the back, it's just a racer back. I don't have any of the Adapt bras that from the Ombre collection, so I'm really excited to try this out. Feels nice and supportive, reminds me of the style of the Vital Seamless, but definitely the material of the leggings, so nice and thick, compressive, which I really, really like. And then I'm hype about these shorts. I saw Charlie in these shorts, Libby in these shorts, and they make the dumpy look superb, okay? So I was like, I need to see this for myself, on myself, so I just got the shorts, and I'm really excited about these because the length looks nice. So I have a lot of Vital Seamless shorts, and like they're definitely on the shorter side. Sometimes it's just not ideal. Like sometimes I just like the longer, but I feel like the Flex Biker are really long on me. I don't know, because I guess just because I'm short. So I feel like these are going to be a really, really nice length. I love, love, love the Adapt leggings, so I just know I'm going to love the shorts. A lot of people say that they don't really cut in on the quads, which is something that I really appreciate, because I hate when my quads are being like submerged by the fabric. And then it just has this nice booty separation. I have Adapt Ombre leggings in the raspberry red because that gradient is very like, you don't even really notice that it's ombre, and I love them. So I'm really excited. If you guys have like Adapt Marl in like the gray or the black colors, this feels the exact same. I really, really like the nice little ombre moment that we have going on. So stretchy but compressive, and I can just tell that this is gonna fit my waist really nicely, which I'm really excited about. So I'm so excited to try all these pieces on. I'm going to the beach soon, so maybe I'll take some photos in them at the beach. And yeah, I just wanted to film this so quickly. I'm probably talking so fast, I literally feel like I'm out of breath just because I'm trying to get this filmed. And I'm hearing that there's like a gas shortage on the East Coast, so I'm like gonna go run and get gas right now. All my roommates are texting me while I'm filming this saying that the regular gas is sold out at every neighboring gas station. So I'm a little concerned. But I know this was a super popular launch, so definitely let me know what you guys got in the comments down below. Definitely expect more hauls to come. I think I might get some more stuff, definitely for my birthday, and then I might get a few pairs of Flex leggings because I actually don't own any Flex leggings yet, so stay tuned for that. Maybe, maybe not. I hope that this video was helpful for anybody who is looking to get any of these new pieces, or if you just have these new pieces and you wanted to see anyone else's thoughts on them, or if you just enjoy watching hauls. I hope you enjoyed, and definitely if you want to see these pieces in motion, I will be posting workouts in them super duper soon, so stay tuned for that. And if you guys want to see more fitness-based content, just go to my Instagram. I don't really do a lot of that on YouTube. I want to get into that. I just have been like slacking because then I gotta film sideways. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!